Is good morning ma, welcome to all for online education commerce theory part for the English medium second years, and the topic we are dealing with that the banking services, and this is the 10th part. Okay, this is the part 10. Here we are going to know the advantages of e-banking. Till now we have seen what are the e-banking services and how many type of payment systems they have provided. Let us see the advantages. A high degree of personalization. It is very personalized. You can do it at any time, at any point of time. So it is not connected with the banking hours. Okay, it is completely personalized. Your personal it will be. 24/7 working hours means 24 hours 7 days in a week. That will be the working hours for e-banking, electronic banking. Fastness and flexibility of transactions. The transactions can be completed very fast and flexible, means you can change the transactions. Okay, you can transfer these fund from another you can transfer these fund to other account, and from that account to another account, and from that account to some other account. So there is a flexibility of transfer of the transactions, and the fastness is also very more. Lower operating cost for bank operating cost, whatever the cost required for the operations of the bank, maintenance charges of the bank, yes, thus can be reduced by using e-banking, because very low customers will come to the bank can easily complete their work, it was low burden to the bank. So these are different types of advantages for the bank also. Anytime and anywhere service, you can take this service, e-banking service, you can take it at any point of time, at anywhere. There is no time limit or there is no any kind of limitations for you. Okay, next, greater customer satisfaction. Customer is also full satisfied, because at what time he want money, he can get that money at that time, and also where he want to go, he can also make electronic payment and booking of railways and airport air tickets, bus tickets, railway tickets. Okay, easily they can do. So the customer is also full satisfied by these e-banking. Even in Amazon, Flipkart also you are doing e-banking. You are transferring the fund from your account to their account. Yes, that is also e-banking. Next, NRIs can monitor their bank account in the Bank of India. So for example, NRIs having their account. NRI means non-resident of India. India lo undani vaadu. Okay, non-resident of India. He can also monitor. Monitor means he can also check with the e-banking. He also check his account which is in Indian bank, which is in India's bank, whether whatever the bank it may be, in which they have the account, they can check it. Okay, India lo unna bank ni atanu check cheskogalugutadu. Atani amount anedi okavela India lo unna bank lo ekkadaina unte ఆ బ్యాంక్ని అతను మానిటర్ చేసుకొని చెక్ చేసుకోగలుగుతాడు. స్పీడ్ అండ్ అక్యురసీ. స్పీడ్, ఈ బ్యాంకింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ స్పీడ్ అండ్ అక్యురసీ మీన్స్ కరెక్ట్. ఆల్ ద ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ కంప్లీట్లీ కరెక్ట్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్. Internet banking reduce the workload for the branches. So the bank branches, for them the workload will be reduced, because these are everything is going on with the online. So it will automatically reduce the workload for the branches. Disadvantages, let us see. Lack of internet facility in the rural areas. So in the rural areas the internet facility is not good. Yes, so that the rural people will face the problem by using e-banking system. So that's why if you observe to in the banks, majority of the people come from the villages only, because they don't have their internet server good function. Okay, the internet server will not function good, so they have to come to bank. That was a big drawback of e-banking. Training to the banking staff. So banking staff have to be updated according to the new software whatever that is installing. Okay, lack of security. We can't say that the transaction which are making with the e-banking is 100% secure, because there is a chances of fraud and also chances of manipulations. Okay, no paper evidence of the transaction. Paper evidence anedi undadu, because we are doing online. So that's why there is no paper evidence. If we want paper evidence, we can't get the original evidence, but Xerox copy we can get. can't update with the technology. It is very difficult to update with the technology for even for the bank and also even for the customers also. It was very difficult. Okay. High illiterates in India. In India, the literacy rate is very less. Majority of the people are illiterate, and it will become very difficulty for them to do these all banking transactions through the e-banking. Next, futures of internet banking. So let us see the futures. It removes the traditional geographical barriers. Means barriers means type of emantaru ఒక టైప్ ఆఫ్ చెక్ అన్నట్టు. ఈ ఒక ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఇంకొక ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే దెర్ ఆర్ సర్టెన్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ రెస్ట్రిక్షన్స్, రైట్? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గో ఫ్రమ్ నల్గొండ టు హైదరాబాద్, దెర్ ఈజ్ బిట్వీన్ నల్గొండ అండ్ హైదరాబాద్ దెర్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్, దెర్ ఈజ్ వన్ వాట్ వి సే దట్, ఏదో అంటారు కదమ్మా దాన్ని, హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి మనం నల్గొండ నుంచి హైదరాబాద్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే మనకు అక్కడ ఫస్ట్ చెకింగ్ చేస్తారు. హైదరాబాద్ ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడే దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ చెక్ బోర్డ్ ఈస్ దేర్. సో దెర్ విల్ చెక్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్ దెర్ విల్ టోల్ గేట్. ఎస్, ఐ గాట్ నౌ. టోల్ గేట్ ఉంటుంది. టోల్ గేట్ దగ్గర ఏం చేయాలి? వీ హ్యావ్ టు పే సర్టన్ చార్జెస్. ఓకే, చార్జెస్ పే చేసి వెళ్ళాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో బై యూజింగ్ ద ఇంటర్నెట్ వీ నో నీడ్ టు పే టోల్ గేట్ చార్జెస్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద టోల్ గేట్ విల్ చార్జెస్ వీ నో నీడ్ టు పే. We can transfer money from Nalgonda to Hyderabad immediately within a seconds. No need of paying any kind of charges to toll gate. Next, risk associated with bank eliminated. So any kind of risk like bank ki veltam, if there is any thief means donga untadu, amount chusi he will take that amount, he run away means it will become big problem. We also have to run with him, and if we can't catch him then we have to go to the police station, we have to file FIR, big headache. So that risk is also eliminated. There is no any kind of such risk here. Internet is a public domain. It is not a personal, only I will use, only you will use. That is not. It is all. Okay, so it is a public domain. Everyone can use the internet. Okay, bank to update the technology. Bank has to update the technology, whatever the new softwares are coming. Effective and efficient cost control. For the bank, the cost is very low. By the internet banking, everything is going on with the bank, then the cost has been automatically reduced. There is no need of paper, there is no need of deposit receipts, or there is no need of any kind of withdrawal receipts, anything. So everything is going on with the bank, ATMs, right? Yes, and general, the real time gross settlements are there. These all types of facilities are there. With this, every transaction can be done immediately without any cost. E-rail means you can book your railway tickets. Okay, after that, tax online, you can pay the tax online also. During this corona situation, the government has given permission to pay electricity bill online, even taxes also online. Everything you can do online only. Okay, next, not only now also but before also the government has given that permission to pay the tax online, electricity bill online, anything you can, even gas, the cooking gas what we use, we can book the gas by the online system also. Online system only now. Insurance premium, if you have paying insurance in LIC or any other thing, you can pay that premium by using these internet banking. So this is about the internet banking futures and advantages and disadvantages of e-banking. So this topic is very important topic, so don't waste the time, just read the advantages, disadvantages, futures, and also ATM and RTGS and ECS, whatever the topics we have discussed in the previous sessions, that also you have to read. Okay, right.